Incogniton versus GoLogin. Let's start with Incogniton. So it's an anti-detect browser made for multi-account management, offering virtual profiles with separated browser fingerprints. GoLogin, on the other hand, is a privacy-focused browser for anonymous web browsing and automation, using isolated environments and spoofed fingerprints. Now, let's talk about their pros. Incogniton offers an easy-to-use dashboard for managing hundreds of profiles. It even offers team collaboration, which is ideal for agencies. It also has a customizable fingerprinting, a fast profile launching and browser startup, and it has a Chromium base and works with most extensions. Now, GoLogin on the other hand offers you a very clean UI and UX, which is beginner friendly. They also support mobile and desktop fingerprinting. They also have a built-in proxy manager for easy integration, and it's more flexible with automation and popular scripting. So in conclusion, choose Igniton if you need both profile management, simple team access, and a feature to get started. And then choose GoLogin if you want a clean design, stronger automation support, and mobile fingerprinting.